In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Gmail of YouTube channel. To begin, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you are on the official YouTube homepage. If you are not already signed in, sign in to the Google account that is connected to the YouTube channel you are trying to check. This is important because the email address tied to a channel is part of the Google account information, and you can only view your own account details. Once you are on YouTube, look toward the top of the page for your profile icon. This is usually a small circle with your channel image, or a generic icon if you have not set one. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, find and click Settings. This takes you to YouTube Settings, where you can access account-related options. After the settings page opens, look for the option that says View or Change your Google account settings. Click on that link. This step is the key, because YouTube channels are managed through Google accounts, and the Gmail address associated with the channel is listed in your Google account area. When you click it, you will be sent to your Google account page in a new tab or the same tab depending on your browser. From there, you can review the account details connected to your YouTube channel. If you manage multiple channels, make sure you are viewing the correct one by checking the profile image and account information shown on that Google account page. A quick tip for accuracy: if you see a different profile than expected, go back to YouTube, switch to the correct channel from your profile menu, and then repeat the settings step so the correct Google account is opened. Also, be careful when sharing your screen, because account pages can display personal information. Only share what is necessary, and keep your email private unless you are in a secure setting. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.